Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be using the Nicka K New York waterproof eyeliner in the shade dark brown to fill in my eyebrows. And I'd like to first start out drawing over top and at the underneath, and then I like to just go in and fill it in. So in between filling it in, you see me using my spoolie brush just to try to blend it in. And then I'm going to go back in and keep going until I get the desired look before I start using my concealer. So it's okay if your eyebrows still look a little messy and they're not perfect. I'm going to grab the concealer and another spoolie brush with the flat end so I can go in, and I'm using the NYX concealer and the tan CJ07 color. And I'm just going to go, usually I would go do it like all above my eye, but right now I'm going to try to, this is if I was going to do a natural look, you know, with not using any foundation or anything, which I'm going to eventually after this. So I'm probably going to keep it messy, but I like to use minimal concealer when I clean up my brows, just so I can look as natural as possible. Keep going in to really carve them out with the concealer and the spoolie brush, and then towards the end I'm just going to pat the concealer just a little bit. If I were going to do natural, then I would clean up the concealer completely.